Cel² Nourishment supports healthy NAD+ levels, which your cells use to produce energy and to support normal cellular growth and repair processes. As one of the most important coenzymes in the human body, NAD+ is used by mitochondria to generate cellular energy. Mitochondria are the power stations, or batteries, of your cells. NAD+ also plays an important role in supporting the function of stem cells, which are the source of specialized cells in the body. NAD+ levels decrease with age, which is why many notice a difference in vitality as we get older. Generally, NAD+ cannot be supplemented directly in the human body because the NAD+ molecule is too large to be absorbed by the cell directly through the cell membrane. NAD+ is best supplemented in the form of a precursor. NMN is one of these precursors, which in the cell is converted to NAD+ in just one step. Scientists have verified that it is more efficient and beneficial for cells to absorb than other NAD+ supplements. The NMN in Cel² has a purity of up to 99.9% and enters the blood in 10 minutes after reaching the small intestine. It helps to replenish NAD+ levels quickly, in as little as 30 minutes. The synergistic formula of Cel² also contains astaxanthin, which provides dual membrane support for mitochondria and the cell. Pterostilbene is also present, which activates key genes associated with energy and repair, and carnosine, which can support the clearance of mitochondrial byproducts. The science of aging well.